In today's digital age, HSBC Bank online login and mobile banking have revolutionized the way customers manage their finances, offering speed, security, and convenience. To begin using HSBC Login online, you need to register first. Visit the official HSBC website and click on the Register or New to Online Banking option. Choose whether you're registering for personal or business banking. Enter your HSBC account number and other required details like your date of birth and registered mobile number. Set up a username and a strong password, followed by a security question. Once verified through an OTP or one-time password, your registration is complete. To log in using HSBC Login Internet Banking, visit the HSBC homepage, click on Log On, and enter your username. You'll then be asked for your memorable answer or security code. Once entered correctly, you'll be logged into your account instantly. HSBC Mobile Banking is equally easy. Download the HSBC Mobile Banking app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and tap Log On or Register. If registering, you'll follow similar steps as the desktop version, including setting up biometric login for faster access. Once done, you can access all banking features on the go. Okay, so here are 5 unique features of HSBC Login Internet Banking that, honestly, aren't commonly highlighted online. First up, custom payment templates. You can actually create and save personalized templates for your recurring transactions, which just makes future payments so much more seamless. Next, real-time Forex rate locking. With this, you can lock in the current Forex rate for your international transfers, so you don't have to worry about any fluctuations at the time of settlement. With the integrated virtual safe, you can securely store digital copies of important documents like your PAN, passport, or insurance right in your banking profile. It's, peace of mind at your fingertips. Pre-filled tax summary reports make things a whole lot easier by automatically generating downloadable reports for filing your income tax, all customized to your banking activity. No more digging through paperwork, seriously. The AI-powered financial goals tracker lets you set personal savings goals and get AI-driven insights and reminders to help you stay on track. It's like having a smart assistant for your money, honestly. With HSBclogin, banking is no longer a chore, but a smart experience tailored to your needs. So explore the new dimension of hassle-free banking with HSBC and make the most of its intelligent digital features.